Hey guys, I welcome all of you at my channel Computer Code. So let's get started. So today our lecture is about to how to make a field context that access everywhere. So first of all, we will quickly create a little bit screen to make sure everything. So here I create a new screen that is main screen, and as usual, I remove all the code and write from the scratch. First of all, I have to call import Flutter material, and simply I just call void main, and that is my app, and here is home. That is the we can write title for demo for home, and but this time I don't need this. I just simply call here and create a main screen, and as usual I just call material, and I create a stateless widget that is main screen, and I set here main screen. Okay, so motive is in like we want to open our dialog or show bottom bar or anything and show some message like a scaffold message that we want to use. For that we need to pass build context, that is very compulsory in our app. So how we can manage build context easily in our Flutter app? So quickly I just create a simple screen and I will show you. I just call scaffold, and here it will suggest me a part that is main screen and body center, that is we just want that, and I set here center and column text to main screen. I just have to remove that this. Okay, so here I use a main screen. They say I have to remove because it is already written on the top of the app bar. So there is no need to push screen to second, and I have just right elevated that is just for now empty, and set and write a text that is open snack bar. Okay, so I set here const. Okay, so first of all I have to remove the const at this app. Okay, so we will run our app and see how it is visible. I just have to quickly connect my real device for testing purpose. I will show you. As you see, this is going on installation on my phone. So once it's complete, so we will continue our code further, and it's going on installation. The person who did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe my channel for this kind of update and tricks and hacks in Flutter. Okay, so this is our screen that we can use, and like open snack bar. This is doing nothing, so we just quickly do code and see how we can use build context in our app. For the time now I just minimize it and full screen of this. First of all I have to that we used a common file in our the project structure, so I just write a common file, the name of common, like that, anything that you want, and here I just import material we need to, and void open snack bar. as per your need that you want. So this is written. But what if I don't want to provide the build context? What I do? So first of all, quickly I just simply set up this part string message and required build context. We don't want build context. We write our code to get current build context to display everything. So for that we just simply ignore these suggestion. Okay, so this is already in error, so ignore it first. It will go on later. I just simply create another file called the name of app context. Okay, that we used in our, and simply I just create a class. That any name that you want, you can wrote. Okay, so sometimes it will suggest me something wrong, so ignore it, these suggestions. We just have to focus on code. So first of all, we don't want to create an instance of this app context, so I just simply create it private. And secondly, I just call static. As usual, we can call global key, and it will provide in the navigator state. It will hold the state that which screen we are navigate and everything. Okay, so it want, I think, okay, don't want import. We just want import material, navigate state and navigator key, and just like that. This is this kind of stuff that we want. We can use it like that. Okay, so what if I want to get my current build context? So how can we get our current build context? So that is like that. We can use static build context get, and this is the function that we run it will provide us current build context. What is navigator state? We can go further, and here is the definition. A reference class can be obtained calling navigator off or navigator push, that or any state management we are using for navigating our different screens. So it will hold the manage the state and which screen is currently running. Okay, so what if I just have to go our common file, and I just call simply, you can call context app context.context. So it will provide our context. So I just need to have to import this, and it will accept. Okay, so where is issue? This is okay. So our snack bar and the background color, we can just make it a little bit better. Okay, so background color, just color green, color dot green, and text color is white. Dream white, we suggest no. Color dot white, and font size I just provide 20. Okay, so I just simply small it and open our visor to display, and I just simply restart our application to get access everything. Okay, one thing I forgot to display, and here we call navigator key and provide navigator key to it access everything. Okay, so that is our static function. So for that it will access automatically everything. I just simply restart, and you will see the snack bar automatically accepted. And if we want to navigate our function or like that without using context, because you know Okay, so what will wrong? Yep, we don't wrote here any function, and inside it we will call open snack bar. What we named it, open snack bar, and the string message. Okay, so I just simply hit here import common, and okay, what will it accept? Message. I just provide message, and I have draw main screen without context. Okay, so for now I just quickly restart our application, so it will restart it. As you see, it will automatically accept our context, and that we can use for opening our dialogues, like it is if there are somehow many problems we facing while development, to use context in our application, and we need to pass our context. So this is the easiest way we can access our current context in any file everywhere without passing build context in the constructor, and this make more code more efficient. The person who did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe to accept this to watch this kind of videos. Thanks for watching.